Hi everybody, my name is Madhup Mishra and I'm the head of product here at VoltDB. As we look at information created worldwide and try to plot it in this chart with zettabytes on Y and the years on X, what you're going to find is a graph like this, where in 2017 the information created thus far has been 16 zettabytes, and this will grow to 160, which is tenfold over the period of less than 10 years. And a lot of this can be attributed to not just the mobile explosion that we're seeing around the world, but also Internet of Things. With Internet of Things, the number of endpoints that will need to be managed and will be generating information would be at least tenfold, if not more. And that all adds up to the information explosion we're seeing on the chart. So as customers are trying to meet these use cases, what they're finding is the current proprietary solutions are not meeting their requirements. So they're moving away from vendor lock-in to a more open source first philosophy. And that's allowing them to address these use cases through a set of tools that are available in the open source market. So case in point are the big data and Hadoop ecosystems, which are adopting a lot of open source technology to draw meaningful insight out of your data. So once you've figured out the meaningful insights from all that data, then the real question becomes on how you take these big data insights and turn them into real-time decisions. So one way to solve this real-time decisions problem is through a fast data pipeline. I've drawn one such approach on the board. Information from these mobile devices and sensors come in through an importer framework like Kafka or Kinesis, and then moves into an operational in-memory database like Volt's Community Edition. Now, Volt's Community Edition is a fully open source, full-featured in-memory operational database that can be used in a fast data pipeline. Then this information moves on to an exporter framework, which could be Kafka again, to finally an operational historical data store or a Hadoop platform. Here's where you draw all the meaningful insights and then finally feed these predictions back into your operational database. So with this approach, you can solve the real-time decisions problem with a fully open source, no vendor lock-in solution.